log into your Fitness Chef account. Right now we're logged into Monique Michaud's account. Right, click on Nutrition. Okay, then you're going to go to your menu editor. So once we're in the Nutrition tab, we're clicking on this menu editor. And what we're going to do is add a note saying what day this is recipes for. So this is recipe list for a client. There we go. And now we're going to build a recipe list in the menu editor. So how do you build a menu list? Well, you search meals. Recipes are meals. You search meals. When you put a word in the description of the recipe that matches the description of the recipe you've already written. So this is after you've already inputted all your recipes in the meal editor. And I know that one recipe has rice paper in it. I'm going to search it. Here are two of the same recipes that are Thai rice paper rolls. I'm going to click on one and it will add to the menu editor, to this recipe list. It will add that recipe in. And there it did it. Now once you've searched all the recipes you're going to cook that day, and typically we do 6, 3 lunches and 3 dinners, then you make sure that the menu is active. See, this says yes. And you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Save as New. Then you go to your saved menus. Now we've cooked for this client before, so there are several recipe lists. This is the 4th time we're cooking for this client. So we want to make sure that all the other recipes or all the other recipe lists are inactive, and that today's, the latest one on the bottom, is active. Right? And that's correct. It says, so we've made all the other recipe lists inactive by clicking that one on the list. Review that, go back to the menu editor. And in the current recipe list, yes, it's active. And then we can put also in the description the same thing in the first note. We'll say this is the recipe list. Okay, so now what we've got is in the saved meals. Okay, let's go to saved menus. We've got the current recipe list active. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Metabolic Profile. Metabolic Profile. And we're going to check menu options over here. Menu options. When we build programs, it just looks at the active menus. All right. In this case, you're the member, so you are, as a fitness chef, it's going to look at your menus in rotation. We're going to go to Metabolic Profile, scroll down, and click Create New Menus. We're going to click this. And what that's going to do is it's going to put that recipe list every day in your nutrition history, in your calendar of menus. So if I click on nutrition here after I do that, I'll notice that yes, The menus are filled up every day. Okay, now you need to go to your program to get the grocery list. So you click on Account, and you click on My Program, and another tab will open up. I click this, and then this second tab opens up. Click on that, and here it is. The recipe list is shown there, and this is the recipe list that you're going to cook for the whole week in one day, right? So when I click on the shopping list, I notice today is the 19th. I want a shopping list for just that day because there it is, from the 19th to the 19th. One day shopping list. Because in the recipes you've built 2 and 3 servings appropriately so that your shopping list will be the exact amount of food that you need for the amount of servings that you've built into your recipe list. So you click shopping list, and then you can highlight this and copy it, or you can print it out for yourself, or you can email it to yourself.